戦わなければ勝てない。戦え。戦え。
So as you might already know, Attack on Titan's final season started airing a few weeks ago and I'm really enjoying it, although I've already read the manga a few months ago. So you might have already understood what I'm gonna do in this video. First of all, I will start by searching for a reference image that I will be using to make my sketch. So this one looks pretty good, so let's just dive into the sketching part.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like.
Since I'm done with the rough sketch, I will now lightly erase the sketch with a kneadable eraser. So now I will retrace the lines to finalize the sketch. And I'm done with finalizing the sketch, so this is what it looks like. Now it's time to add some boldness to our sketch, that is inking.
There's something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other, two hearts on the edge, but we went from lovers to just being friends.
And I'm done with inking my sketch, and this is what it looks like after inking. You know what? I'm feeling pretty sleepy right now, so let's continue the coloring tomorrow with some fresh energy. Good night, guys. So I'm all charged up and ready to add some life to our sketch. You know what it's time for? Coloring.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So I'm a little hungry right now, so I'm gonna quickly have something.
Got a fine little body.
Delicious. Let's get back to coloring again.
Someday, but we come apart. to steal that time you had. Could've never planned this so romance, but now we passed a month of May.
So I am done coloring Eren and now I will color the background.
Too much, but I fall apart, 'cause you said I'm done.
So for the background I will not be using markers, instead I will use oil pastels.
Said you love me now, and girl it's all too much, and we fall too much. Yeah, it's all I'm done now. And when the summer comes, yeah, when the summer comes around.
So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video so far, and if you did then make sure to drop a like and also hit that subscribe button. Also share your views down below in the comment section. And I am back now, so I will try to post more frequently now. See you all in my next video. Enjoy the review.